you want me to get you a chair, Tallulah?
Oh, no thanks, Simon. I don't really feel like watching the match today.
What's the matter, Tallulah?
Goal! 3 points up already! Balya clear, boo!
Well, I've hurt my back again, and I was supposed to be running in a big marathon this weekend.
Oh, free! Oh, referee! Oh, that was a blatant free.
No.
That was blatant.
Can you two be quiet? Tallulah's not very happy.
I'm sorry, Tallulah. Have you hurt your back again?
She has, and she's going to miss her big race this weekend.
Oh, that's terrible, Tallulah. No, go on, go on.
Listen. Perhaps we should turn this off.
Turn off the match.
Yes. Tallulah's more important.
Thank you, Simon, but I don't want you guys to miss the match.
Oh, don't worry about the match, Tallulah.
Worry about the match? I am worried about the match.
Gulliver?
Yeah?
Listen to me. I'm going to give you some sound advice.
Okay.
Sometimes when I feel a little low, a friendly face will pop in and say hello. They'll pick me up and they'll make me laugh. Then with a smile I'll make a new start.
We should listen to our friends. I see you're nervous, but don't you frown. We're the best team that's playing around. We're gonna win the cup and then you'll see that we're the best team there's ever been.
There are some things that are bound to disappoint. If you disagree, then you really miss the point. It is part of life to sometimes feel sad. With the help of friends, you'll see it's not all bad.
We should listen to our friends. I'm not nervous, you understand. This is all going according to plans. Your overconfidence is making me grin. I'm completely certain that my team will win. Maybe we should turn off the television. There's more important things than this sporting transmission. We have a friend who needs our support. It's more important than watching sport.
Oh, thank you, Diva. You guys are such good friends.
I will have such fun today. We will have plenty to say. I will write some songs to play, and Simon says I'll guide the ships coming our way so they can sail into the bay.